Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best smart bulb in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Philips Hue A19 LED Smart Bulb Starter Kit. 4 A19 bulbs, 1 Hue hub, multicolor, 5-piece set. Simple 2 GTS-TD. Set the mood with 16 million colors. Control your Philips Hue smart lights all with just the touch of a button on your mobile device or your favorite voice assistant. Add up to 10 Hue Bluetooth/Zigbee smart bulbs with the free Hue Bluetooth app. When ready to connect a voice assistant, just go to Settings greater than Add Voice Assistant in the Hue app. Preview iOS Hue EQS mirrors. The smart light, while Bluetooth compatible, will also work with the Hue Hub included. With the Hue Hub, you can control up to 50 smart lights throughout your home, even outdoor. Create timers and routines to automate your entire smart home lighting setup. Control your lights while away from home or add accessories, such as motion sensors and smart switches to further enhance your experience. Number 4. Wise Bulb Color 1100 Lumen Wi-Fi RGB and Tunable White A19 Smart Bulb. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant 2-pack. Brighter, dimmer, better. Most color bulbs maxed out at 800 ohm. 2 hours brighter, 1100 ohm/75 W, dimmer, 30 ohm/2 W, or anywhere between with a wide-ranging lumen output that's as intense or as subtle as you need. Special features: color changing, 16 million colors. Whether it's game day or wine night, precise color control in the Wise app lets you turn moments into memories. Create custom presets to instantly change scenes with just a tap. White light temperature control. Cool it down and focus or warm it up and relax. Dedicated white light controls let you choose the perfect setting for your activity. 90+ CRI rating. See truer and more brilliant colors in your home with an advanced color rendering index (CRI) rating. Never mistake navy for black in your closet again. Number 3. Single Alexa Light Bulb. S1 Auto Pairing with Alexa devices. Smart light bulbs that work with Alexa and Google Home. Color changing light bulb. Smart home lighting. E2660 dual equivalent. 800 LM 1-pack. Single S1 Auto Pairing. No registration required. No 3-pack account required. The Single Auto Pairing Kit offers a simple setup and stable links. Just twist in the smart bulbs and start using them with Alexa devices in seconds. Smart Voice Control. Use hands-free voice control to turn on, off, or adjust brightness of the smart light bulb. Our smart light bulbs have a dimmable range from 5% to 100%, allowing you to adjust the light settings for a morning to night ambience. Control from anywhere. Enhance your smart home with single smart bulb color changing lights. Controlled remotely wherever you are and track energy usage through Alexa app. Number 2. Single Motion Sensor Floodlight Bulbs. Dusk to Dawn LED Security Light E26 Base Power 38 Motion. Activated 5000K Daylight. 1500 LM. Waterproof for indoor-outdoor. 2-pack 4th Gen. 5000K Daylight Super Bright. Outdoor motion sensor light gives off a bright amount of blue-white light. 5000 Kelvin. Similar to the daylight, best for porch, garage, driveways, and work environments where bright illumination is needed. High-quality motion sensor. Equipped with a superior motion sensor, single PR38 motion detector lights for outside feature, high-sensitive 100 degrees detection angle, and 23 feet detection distance. Even a cat passing by can trigger the light on in dark conditions. Auto on/off and always-on mode. Motion sensor light bulbs built-in photocell sensor, which enables the bulb to stay off during the day and automatically light up when movement is detected at night. Number 1. IFX Mini White A19 Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. Dimmable, warm white, no hub required. Works with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant 9 watts. Works with Alexa. Alexa device sold separately. Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant for voice control. Beam angle, 250 degrees. Easy setup. IFX screws in like any traditional light bulb. Simply download the app, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. No hub needed. Built-in Wi-Fi and LIFX Cloud. Offers full lighting control via Wi-Fi with our LIFX iOS, Android, and Windows 10 apps. Access your bulbs anywhere, anytime via the cloud. Dimmable. Connected lighting for your space, time of day, and mood. Experience how subtle adjustments in brightness can enhance the comfort of any room. Intuitive control. Control lights individually or as groups, set timers for one-touch automation.